So your Siri is stuck on joined waiting list on iOS 27 and you're wondering how you can get rid of this and use Siri as normal. So as you see here on screen, mine is currently saying joined waitlist. So once you're on this page, right, and you've got the joined waitlist error here, the only thing that we can really do is if we can try and reset our device, right, or force reset if it is on this. So if you want to force reset, you just need to do simply volume up, volume down, power button. So it would be volume up, volume down, power button, and then you hold it in until the phone shuts off, which will then essentially reset the old device. What you can also do is just simply go ahead and turn it off and then just swipe to turn it off. And then once we turn it back on, it might then refresh this to give you access to obviously Siri without being joined on the waiting list. Now, if none of these things work, what you'll need to know is that Apple are currently rolling the new version of Siri out in different locations. So the chances are that you may need to wait until it is rolled out in your specific location. So let's just say that you're in the United States, for example. Maybe it's not available there yet. And if you are in the UK, it could be available in the UK. So you just need to sort of wait and see when it's released in that specific location if you don't get access to it by doing the methods I did show. So unfortunately, that's the only ways that you can help these guys. If this video does help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.